Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and I'm so happy you're here because today we are making these gluten-free peanut butter cookies. They are so yummy, they're flourless, they are dairy-free, and the best thing is they whip up in one bowl. So let's get started with these easy cookies. So the first thing we want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Start by adding the peanut butter into a bowl. This can get a little bit messy, but just do the best you can. Then into the sugar, we're gonna add in our baking soda and salt. Whisk this up. I like to add these two to the sugar to incorporate it before I pour it into the peanut butter. Then pour that into the peanut butter. Add brown sugar. Vanilla. Whisk up 1 egg. And pour that into the peanut butter mixture. This will bind all those ingredients together. Stir this up until incorporated. Okay, so next we're just gonna pick up a little piece of dough and roll it into a ball. I like to make these kind of small because since they don't have flour and they do spread a little bit. These cookies are really perfect for Christmas because they're so easy to whip up. It's really great to make them with the kids and they're so yummy. Peanut butter cookies were like one of those things in our Christmas cookies. We always had to have them as kids. What about you guys? Is there any like specific cookie that you always made as a kid? I like molasses cookies too, but nobody ever likes those. They're like one of my favorites. My grandma always makes those. And this is gonna make about 24 cookies. Since we're doing them so small, I like to just fit about 12 on each tray. So we'll just do 2 different trays full. This is totally optional, but I like to make little crisscross marks with my fork. And the easiest way to do this is just to keep a cup of water on the side and dip your fork in that water every 2 to 3 cookies so it doesn't stick so bad. These are gonna bake for 11 to 13 minutes. And once they're finished, you can just transfer them to a wire rack. Be careful because they are delicate when they're hot. I already took a bite, but I'm going in for another one. So good. They're really soft, super yummy. They are a little bit more delicate than a regular peanut butter cookie because they don't have the flour in them. So if you guys are packing these up to take somewhere else, just be careful with them. They are so good. I love how you can taste the brown sugar in them. That's my favorite mixture with peanut butter. We are all finished with these easy gluten-free peanut butter cookies. These are so yummy and I know you will absolutely love them. If you're looking for more Christmas recipes, check out my crescent roll cinnamon rolls. They were so good and they've been super popular lately. Also, there's a lot more cookie recipes coming to the blog soon, so make sure to check it out at simplymadeeats.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together and I will see you next time. Bye!